In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Git repository in Vercel. We'll start right inside the Vercel dashboard. Make sure you are signed in so you can access your projects and settings. From here, look to the top right corner and click Add New. Then choose Project. This is where you connect your code to Vercel so it can build and host it for you. Under Import Git Repository, pick the Git provider where your code lives: GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. If this is your first time connecting that provider, Vercel will prompt you to authorize access. Go ahead and approve the requested permissions. This simply lets Vercel read your repositories so it can deploy them. You can adjust permissions later if needed. Next, you'll see a list of repositories from the provider you selected. Find the repo you want to deploy and click Import next to it. If you don't see it in the list, use the Configure GitHub app option to make sure Vercel has permission to view that specific repository or organization. Then return to the screen and try again. Now it's time to configure your project before the first build. You can customize the project name if you prefer something different from the repo name. Vercel will usually detect your framework automatically, whether it's Next.js, React, SvelteKit, Nuxt, or another supported framework, and pre-fill the build and output settings. If the detection isn't what you expect, you can manually select the correct framework to ensure the right build commands run. If your app relies on secrets or configuration values, add them as environment variables. This is the secure place for items like API endpoints, tokens, or IDs that your code reads at build or runtime. Use clear variable names and keep the values private. Don't hard code them in your repository. You can always return and add more variables later. When you are ready, click Deploy. Vercel will fetch your repository, install dependencies, and run the build. You can watch the logs in real time to see progress and catch any missing variables or configuration issues. In about 30 to 60 seconds, you'll get a live URL that you can visit immediately. That preview is perfect for quick checks or sharing with your team for feedback. And that's it. Thanks for watching.